So here we need to differentiate the function sine of m sine inverse of x. So we are going to use the chain rule here. So for that, we're going to imagine that m sine inverse of x is equivalent to x for the time being. So we have differentiation of sine of x. We know the differentiation of the sine function gives us cosine of x. So here x is m sine inverse of x. Now since this is an assumption, so we need to multiply it to the derivative of m sine inverse of x. So that gives us cosine of m sine inverse x multiplied to the derivative of m sine inverse x, m being a constant, so we pull it out of the derivative. So that gives us m times the derivative of sine inverse of x. Now we have a result for the derivative of the inverse sine function. So that is cosine m times sine inverse of x multiplied to m times, so derivative of the inverse sine function is 1 over under root 1 minus x squared. So that gives us m times cosine of m times sine inverse of x divided by the square root of 1 minus x squared. So this is the derivative of the given function.